Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me is Sony Alpha, and now I'm going to show you all you need to know about priority setting in auto-white balance. Firstly, open menu. Here I have enabled first block, as you can see, first. And here you need to scroll right up to 11th page, and here we have priority setting auto-white balance. And here inside we have 3 different modes. So priority setting auto-white balance lets you prioritize the type of lighting adjustment the camera makes when set to auto-white balance. So in standard mode, balanced between preserving natural colors and adjusting for accurate whites, ambience, so warms up the colors to maintain a natural atmosphere. So it will be like cloudy, but not too cloudy. Okay. Auto-white balance white, so prioritize poor whites, ensuring accurate color reproduction like Panasonic cameras. Okay. That's cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.